Okay, this video is going to be about finding the area within a piece of geometry. And we have a circle right now on the screen. We're going to complicate it just a little bit, and we're going to actually create a secondary circle outside of this, and we're going to do an offset. So offset, enter specified distance. It's set at 2. I'm just going to accept that. Oops, I forgot to do something. Offset. Once it's there too, I need to click enter to accept it. Okay, so now I have another circle that is offset 2 inches outside of the original circle. Now, pretend I want the area of just the new addition here. I want to know what the area of this new addition is. I don't want to know the area in here. I just want to know the area in here. Now, the area tool, like we're normally used to using it, so now I'm still in offset, sorry. Area, okay, specify first corner. Okay, now with a circle, you really can't do this. You know, you can't find the area of a circle by picking corners, or in this case, quadrants. We have to do what's called an add and subtract. So going back into the area tool, if I look down in my command line, you know, first my dynamic input says to specify first corner or point, or there's more information down here, and we want to add area. Okay, and it's right here, add area. So I want to add some area to calculate. So I type A, enter. Now it still says specify first corner point. I don't want to do it by specifying corner point. So I look down here in my command line again. It gives me the option to choose by object. So to change it, I type O so I can choose by object. And I'm going to choose this object right here. Now, it gives me the area. If I look down here in my readout, the area is 177.8644. All right. That's cool. However, I don't want just that area. I want the area between here and here. Okay. I want the area between this line and all this area that's right in here, not this area that's right in here. Okay, so here's how we do that. Going into the area command, we want to add area, A, enter. Okay, and we want to do it by object, so we type O, enter. We select this circle, and that gives us the entire area. Okay, all right, now I click enter to accept that, and now it gives me some more options down here in my command line. Basically some opposite options from what I had before. There's a subtract area. So I'm going to type S because I want to subtract some space from that area. Enter. And then again, I want to do this by object and not by picking corner points. So I type O, just as it says down here. It says O for object. O, enter. Now I can hover in and choose this object. And that takes out that area calculation, and I get a total area of 81,9875. That is just the area that is inside this outside circle, not including this area right here. So that is how you get the area on a circle. You can do anything, even if it's a square or a triangle. You can do anything, you know, by choosing and get the area by choosing the object itself. So let's say we have a square. It's just an arbitrary square, and I want the area of that square. Okay, and I want to add area, and I want to do it by object. So I choose the square, boom, and now it gives me the area by object, 30.3527. Now let's say that there is another shape inside of that, a circle, and I don't want the area of the circle. I just want the area between the circle and the rectangle. So go into the area tool. I want to add area, so I type A, enter. I want to select by object, so I type O, enter. I select the square, choose enter to accept that, and now I want to subtract. Okay, again, look down the command line, it says subtract, so I can type S, enter, and I want to subtract the circle. Oops, I forgot to choose it by object. I got to type O for object and take that area out. So I'm subtracting that area from that total. I have a total area now of 21,6933. So that is how you use the area tool. And also, I almost forgot to tell you that after this video, there will be several problems that you need to complete to find the area. Okay, so look for that assignment right after this video.